The latest incarnation of Flash comes with something called timeline effects. And these are built-in effects that you can apply to your Flash artwork, even imported artwork. As you see here, I have our favorite cowhead PNG file on the stage. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Insert menu. Let me click on them first. Insert, Timeline Effects, Effects, Explode. Now I'm hoping that the Beef Association does not come after me like they came after Oprah. Now what we have here is we have a preview of the cow head blowing up, and we can manipulate how it explodes with these controls here. So we can affect the duration of the explosion, the direction of the explosion. So for example, we can make them go to the right, and to do that, just click the Update Preview button to get an update of the result you need here. And as you see now, it explodes to the right. Let's go back to the middle again. And what I'm going to do before I click Update Preview is talk about the arc size. As you see here, when it explodes, it goes up in an arc, and you can determine how far apart it blows up pixel-wise. So as you see, I can decrease the amount of pixels that it explodes on the x-axis to 50, for example, and I can make it go up a little higher on the y-axis, so it goes up in the air a little higher. So let's go ahead and update this. Now it's going to go upwards, and it's going to really blow up high and have a small arc. As you see here, 50 pixels, it comes back down. We can also have these fragments of the cow rotate to the degrees you specify. So I'm going to enter 90 degrees here. And I'm going to update preview once again, so we can get more of a rotation for each fragment as it explodes. You can also play with the alpha by simply using the slider here to determine how the final alpha will appear. And don't forget, alpha is the ability to see something. So if I click Update Preview, you'll be able to see that it doesn't fade all the way out to invisible because I have not gone all the way back to 0. As you see, it's still there. So to really just, decrease the alpha all the way, you want to go back to final alpha to 0. So it completely leaves the view. Once you have finished exploding your cow head, click OK. Now the effects will be applied. And now when you press play or scrub the timeline, you have an exploded object. Very, very cool indeed. And you also have some other options available to you. So you'll see that I already created this, and it's already created a symbol for us. So it's like a movie clip. But to do this again, you'll notice there's all kinds of timeline effects up there. And just experiment on your own. You'll be able to add drop shadows and all kinds of cool effects to anything from text to images that you draw in Flash to images that you import yourself.